In this video, I will look at a do-while loop in C#. So I have a button here. I'm going to put the code behind that. I have a multi-line text box here called txt output, and that's where I'm going to put the output from. So my do-while loop. Now, a do-while loop is different from a while loop in that a do-while loop will always execute at least once because the condition is physically at the bottom of the loop. So do while, and in the round brackets there, that is where you have your condition. Conditions can include relational operators and conditional operators, so your less than or greater than in your ands and your ors. Now, it does require a semicolon there. I need a counter there to control the loop, so I'm going to have int I equals 0. I equals 0, and I would do whatever is in the loop while my counter is less than 4, so that would go 4 times. So I'm going to put output here in my text output, the text box, dot text plus equals will concatenate onto what's already there. I want to put in, I'm going to use this string interpolation, so $1 there before my string. And the value of I is, and now for the string interpolation I can put in those curly brackets, and I want the value of I to appear there, and I want to put a new line here, so environment.newline. So above I declared a variable for that, but I don't have to, I can just put it there. Now it's very important here as well, I haven't incremented my counter. If you don't, you're going to end up in an infinite loop, so I'll just run my program here. Now I'll only get that infinite loop when I actually click on the button, because that's where the code is. And as you can see here, there's no output, but my program is still, it's running. Now it's not telling me anywhere it's an infinite loop, but I'll just hit stop there. So I haven't got the output I expected, so we'll put in an increment there, I++, and hit F5 to run that again. Click the button there. And there is my output there from my loop. So just to talk you through the loop there. So I starts off as 0. It will print out there the value of I is 0, followed by a new line, and then it will add 1 on. Then it will go to the condition, is 1 less than 4? So yes it is, and then it will go again. So if you notice there, it has to output what's in the loop at least once. So do while loop will always execute at least once. Then I have my increment, then it goes to the condition. So the first time the condition will be is 1 less than 4. If it is, it'll go inside and print out the value of 1. The value of I is 1. Add on to my counter, that'll become 2. Is 2 less than 4? Yes, the value of I is 2. Add 1 to the counter, it'll go to 3. Is 3 less than 4? Yes, it'll print out the value of I is 3. Add 1 on, that'll become 4. And now, is 4 less than 4? No, and that is where the loop will finish. So that is a do-while loop in C#.